In today's insane video, we see this cash in transit van get robbed. So, we see this guard from the back of the van run out, flying from inside as the thieves are shooting at the van. Luckily though, the van is armored. Thereafter, the thieves put something by the van rear door and go running, and boom, an explosion. But as you can see, the door hasn't opened as it is strong due to the armor, and the explosion was not strong enough. They go in for a second attempt. The explosion is so huge that it actually blows the camera that is mounted on the wall 20 meters away straight down. And yes, these thieves made away with the money.